Yes, hello everyone. Is the screen visible and my voice audible? Let me know in the comment section once, then we'll start the lecture. Okay, so let us begin with the lecture. Yes, hello everyone. I welcome you all on the platform of Global Online. So as we know friends, Global Online platform has launched a complete course for upcoming CTET examination 2023, and in this particular course we are discussing the whole syllabus for CTET examination. In this particular series we have started up with the mathematics paper 1 as well as for the paper 2. So the question based upon the concepts will be practiced over here. Okay, so even the students who find themselves weak at mathematics can score maximum marks in the examination will be the highlighting feature of this particular course. The target for the examination of CTET 2023 will be 30 out of 30. Okay, so let us begin with the lecture. Today's lecture is completely based upon the divisibility test questions. Okay, so let us start the lecture. Before moving into the video friends, the central teacher eligibility test for that complete course has been launched by Global Online platform for paper 1 as well as for the paper 2. Simply you have to download the Global Online application for the enrollment of course, or you can contact us on this given WhatsApp number, which is 8669316919 or 8179138413. The highlighting feature of this complete course will be you will be provided with one-on-one mentorship. Okay, so Global Online application, as I have told you, it is available on the Play Store from where you can install it. When installed it, open the application, you will find such interface. In this particular interface there is an icon named as store icon. You have to click on it, you will move to the page called as my courses, and in my courses there is a search tab. In that you have to type CTET. Once you will type CTET course, along with the fees will be displayed downwards, and hence you can get enrolled to the course whichever you want to. So actually this first question is about the simplification. Okay, so this is the first question, just give me a second. Okay, so here I have given you basically multiplication. Okay, 896 into 896 minus 204 into 204. You must be finding it quite lengthy, right? So how to solve this question within the limited span of time is the thing that we are going to do today. Okay, simplification is the first question. Simplification, it is about the simplification. Now look at the question carefully. What is it talking about? 896 into 896 minus 204 into 204 is the question. Okay, how can we solve this? We can solve this by, can I write this 896 into 896 as 896 square? Yes, and similarly I can write the second one as 204 square. Can I? Yes. Okay, now what this particular thing is representing? It is representing a square minus b square. Yes, it is talking about a square minus b square. Yes, so here a square minus b square is simplified as a plus b into a minus b. Okay, please make a note of it. I can write a square minus b square is equal to as a plus b into a minus b. So let us consider here a is equal to 896 and b is equal to 204. Yes, so here what is a? A is 896 and b is 204. Now just put these values in this particular equation. Here 896 is the value of a plus 204, and second one is into a minus b. What is a? Again 896 minus 204. Okay, we have simplified it. We have simplified a square minus b square, that is 896 square minus 204 square, as a plus b and a minus b. Okay, so what will be 896 plus 204? This will be 0, 0, 1, 1, 1100 into 896 minus 204. This will give us 2, 692, right? So simply now you can carry out the multiplication. 0, 0 as it is, 11 2s are is 22, carry 2, 11 9s are 99. So this will give me, got it? So in this way you can simplify the given question. I hope you have got the question number 1. So please make a note of this. At the end of the lecture also we will see how we have simplified various simplification. So just make a note of it, that is a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Moving on to the second question. Again the question is of simplification. Now look at the question. What is the question? 387 into 387 plus 114 into 114 plus 2 into 387 into 114 is the question. Am I right? Okay. So here can I write this 387 into 387 as 387 square? Yes. Plus 114 is 114 into 114 can be written as 114 square. Simply this is 2 into 387 into 114. If you are able to remember this particular simplification, that is a square plus b square, this gives us a square plus b square plus 2ab. This was the simplification for a square plus b square. If you are remembering, if you are not remembering, please make a note of it. That is, if a square plus b square is given, then we can write it as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Right? So if you look at this particular step number 2, you can clearly see that this is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, that is 2ab. It means here I am considering the value of a as 387, the value of b as 114, and hence I am writing this as a square plus b square plus 2ab. Yes, so can I write, instead of this a square plus b square plus 2ab, can I write a square plus b square? Yes, yes, because this is the value of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Instead of this I can write a square plus b square. Am I right? Yes. What is a over here? 387. So 387 square plus 114 square. Can I write this? Can I write this particular form in this simplified version, that is a square plus b square? Yes, I can write with the help of this simplification. That is a square plus b square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. In previous question what we have learnt? A square minus b square we have learned. That was a plus b into a minus b. Here what we have learnt? Sorry, 1 second. Just a minute. This is not a square plus b square. It is a plus b the whole square. Okay. So here you have to write a plus b whole square. So here can I write this as 387 plus 114 square? Yes. Okay. So after writing that, simply what you have to do is carry out the addition. Addition for this will be 1, 0 and 5. You have to take square of this. Yes. Roughly if we take the square of 500, what we will get? 2500. Right? The square of 500 is equivalent to almost 2500. Right? So how to keep this in mind? how to keep this particular thing in mind. The square of 50 is equivalent to 2500. We want basically the square of 500 over here. Okay, so the value will be roughly equivalent to, yes, this is the actual value. I'll tell you, this is the actual value. Okay, the square of 50 we know. What is the square of 50? We know the square of 5. Okay, let us start it from square of 5. We know the square of 5 is 25. If we go for the square of 50, it will be 2500. Yes, so simply the answer will be rotating beside this value. Yes, so in this way you can solve this particular question. Got it? This is the simplified version. Please make a note of this again. I'll take all at the end, but just make a note of it. The third question of this lecture is again a question of simplification, where they have written 81 into 81 plus 68 into 68 minus 2 into 81 into 68 is the question. Okay, now how to solve this particular question? Again, this is a simplified version of a square plus b square minus 2ab, a minus b the whole square. Now if we look at the values, if I keep the value of a as 81 and the value of b as 68, is it giving this, is it reflecting this simplified form? Yes. A square, that is 81 into 81. Can I write the 81 into 81 as 81 square? Yes. Plus 68 into 68 can be written as 68 square, that is reflecting again a plus b square. Yes, minus 2 into a's value is 81 into b's value is 68. So this can be written as a minus b the whole square. Yes, so write the value of a as 81 and the value of b as 68 whole square. So now you can solve it. What is 81 minus 68? It is 13. 13 square, what is 13 square? 169. So 169 is the answer to the given question. Again a question of simplification. Got it? So once again I'll repeat all the three things that we have learnt in simplification question. The first thing that we have learnt was a square minus b square. This will give you a plus b, a minus b, first question. The second question was a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. And the third question, and this simplification question that we have learnt recently, is about a minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square talking about? A square plus b square minus 2ab. So based upon these three simplification, the questions were given. Okay, question number 1, question number 2, as well as question number 3. So do you have any kind of doubt? You can let me know in the comment section of all the above 3 questions given over here. Okay, so moving on. To the next question now. So the questions on divisibility test, as I have told you, we are checking the questions on divisibility test today. So the very first question on the divisibility test is talking about which of the following number is divisible by 3. So we have to find out the given numbers whether they are divisible by 3 or not. In condition of divisibility test of 3, we have already learnt whenever we are checking whether a given number is divisible by 3 or not. For that, what we do? We take that particular number, we add individual digits, we add all the digits together of that given number, we add all the digits of that given number, take the addition of it. Now 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 3 is 16, 16 plus 5 21. 21 will be your summation. So now whatever the summation you got, divide it by 3. if that particular summation is divisible by 3, then we can say that the whole number will be divisible by 3. Is 21 divisible by 3? Yes, 3 sevens are 21, hence the whole number will be divisible by 3. Similarly, we'll apply for the B option, that is 5 plus 9 plus 6 plus 7 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3. 9 plus 5 is again 14, 14 plus 6 20, 27, 28, 28, and this gives us 31. Whether 31 is divisible by 3 or not, that we have to check. Now we know 31 is not divisible by 3, hence we can conclude that this number is not divisible by 3. Simply you have to take the summation of all the digits in the given number, and whatever the summation will come over there, divide it by 3. If the number is divisible, then the whole number will be divisible by 3. If the number is not divisible, then the whole number will not be divisible by 3. This is what we have learnt. Okay, now this was about the question about the divisibility test of 3. Now let us move to the question number 5, where we are talking about what is the least value which should be assigned to the given symbol over here, that is star, so that the given number, which is 197 star 5762, is divisible by 9. What is the question talking about? They have given us a number where they have mentioned a star. Instead of that particular star, you have to tell one such number, so that after inserting that digit in this given number, the whole number should be divisible by 9. This is the question. You have to insert one particular digit in this given number, so that the whole number should be divisible by 9. Okay, so very first thing, we know the divisibility test of 9. Similarly, like the divisibility test of 3, the divisibility test of 9 is there, right? We know what is the divisibility test of 9. We have to take the summation of all the digits. Now we don't know what is the fourth digit, so keep it as it is, like a star. So add rest all the digits. Okay, so the summation for all this, the summation for this will be 10 and 17, and yes, this will give us summation which is equal to 34. So 34 and star as it is. Okay, so what we have done, we have taken the summation first. We have taken the summation that is equal to 34 plus star. Now to get, we have to take such a number, we have to add such a number here instead of star, so that the number will be divisible by 9. So we know the table for 9, right? 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36. 34 is there in the table of 9? No. The next upcoming digit after 34 is 36. This is the least number, or we can say the number which is closer to 34. So after adding here 2, we'll get 36. Am I right? After adding 2 in 34 plus star, after adding 34 plus 2, we'll get 36. It means the least value that we can assign to this particular symbol star can be 2. Yes, so the correct answer to the given question will be 2. So 2 is the least value that is assigned to this particular given number. So the number will be 1972546. So the summation for all this will be equal to 36. Hence we can divide the 36, which is equal to 4. So hence we can conclude here that the least assigned value for the star will be 2. I hope you have got this question, and this type of question can be asked in the examination. So this is an important type. So make a star of it, and if you are not able to understand which question about any question, then you can mention that particular question in the comment section and let me know. Okay, moving on to the next question, which is question number 6. We have to check whether a given number is divisible by 4 or not. To understand this, remember the foundation batch where I have taught you the divisibility test of 4. What we do in this situation of to check whether a given number is divisible by 4 or not, we check the last 2 digits. Simply we have to check the last 2 digits. What are the last 2 digits for this particular given number? The last 2 digits are 94. Similarly, the last two digits for this particular given number are 72. Now check whether these particular number are divisible by 4 or not. If they are divisible by 4, it means the number is completely divisible by 4. Okay, so let us check now. So here 94 is not divisible by 4. 94 is not divisible by 4, hence whole number will be not divisible by 4. This given number, the last numbers are 72, last two digits are 72 over here, but the 72 is divisible by 4. Yes, it is divisible by 4, so the whole number will be divisible by 4. Got it? So these questions, why I have mentioned this question, I just wanted to make you remember whatever we have learnt in the foundation batch. So make such notes of the divisibility test in your notebook, so that whenever you come across such questions, you will get a summary or you will get an idea that we have learned these things somewhere. Okay, so divisibility test of 4 will check the last two digit. In case of divisibility test of 9, as well as in divisibility test of 3, we take summation of all the digits and divide it by 9. Moving on to the next question, again same type of question, where such type of question I think we have already discussed. Yes, this is the type of question. That question has been mentioned over here also, but here they are asking us about the two divisibility tests that we have to check. Let us read the question first. Which digit should come in place of star and dollar if the number is divisible by both 8 and 5 is the question. Okay, so let us take the number first. What they have asked, what digits or what numbers should come instead of these symbols, so that after inserting those numbers, this whole number should be compulsorily divisible by 8 as well as by 5. It should be divisible by both the numbers. Okay, so we know the divisibility test of 5. What does divisibility test of 5 talks about? The last digit of any given number should be 0 or it should be 5. If it is 0 or if it is 5, then the number will be divisible by 5. This is the condition for the divisibility test of 5. But if we insert 5 here instead of dollar, we have to insert either 0 or 5 instead of dollar. Am I right? Yes. But if I insert 5 over here, that number won't be divisible by 8. If I am inserting 5, then the divisibility test of 8 will not follow. Why? Because the divisibility test of 8, we have to check the last 3 digits. Last 3 digits we have to check, and we have to check whether these 3 last digits are divisible by 8 or not. So if we are inserting 5, it means it won't be divisible by 8. So here the divisibility test of 8 won't follow. What is the question talking about? The number should come in such a way that it should be divisible by both, that is 8 as well as by 5. This is the question. Just give me a minute. Yes, so if now 5 is the number that we cannot insert at the last digit, so we can insert a 0 over there. Yes, we can. If I am inserting 0 instead of dollar, that is 6 2 6 8 4 star as it is and 0, then the number will be divisible by 5 as well as by 8. So what should be the number now that should come at the place of star? Okay, so I can insert here, simply we have to check the last 3 digits, we know now. Okay, so here can I insert 4 star 0 ke paas, can I insert here 4? If I'll insert here 4, then the number will be divisible by 8. Yes, Yes, so go as per the options whatever they have given in the question. Okay, so I have not mentioned an options over here, so go as per the option. So this number will be divisible by, this particular number will be divisible by 8. Yes, got it. So the number that should come instead of star and instead of dollar will be 4 and 0. Got it? So this type of questions also can be asked in the examination. So make a note of such questions. Okay. Moving on to the next type. So here they are asking us to check the divisibility test of 11. So how to check the divisibility test of 11 we have already seen. We just simply have to add the odd places and the even places, right? So for the given number 4, 8, 3, 2, 7, 1, 8. This is the first place. This is the second place. This is the third place. This is the fourth, fifth, sixth and the seventh. Okay. So what we usually do here is sum of odd places or the sum of digits at odd places. You just make a note of it. Sum of digits at odd places minus sum of digits at even places. We know this. We have already learnt. Yes. So what is the sum of the odd places? Which are the odd places? Actually, these are the odd places. 1, 3, 5 and 7. So what are the numbers or the digits at the odd places? 8, 7, 3 and 4. Take a summation of all these. 8 plus 7 plus 3 plus 4 minus of sum of digits at the even places is 1 plus 2 plus 8. Got it? So here the summation of the odd places and summation of the even places. So here what answer can come? 8, 14, 15, 22 minus 11. Got it? So the answer will be 11. So here what we have done is, first we have taken the summation of odd place and we have minus it with the summation of the even places. So what the number we are getting here? 11. Now check this summation whether is, the subtraction of sum of odd places and sum of even places, whether that is divisible by 11 or not. Yes, it is divisible by 11. Hence we can say that the whole number is divisible by 11. Got it? We have already learned this. Just we are summarizing those things, okay, in form of questions. So one thing that I would like to tell you, that what things we have learned today, and as well as one more thing that I should teach you in the previous class itself, but I have not taken, I guess, so I'll take that too. So some of the basic formulas that we'll learn today, some basic formulas. Okay, the first one is a square minus b square can be written as, a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b. The second formula you have to note is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Next formula, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay, one more formula that will be useful for you is a plus b plus c the whole square. So this will give us a square plus b square plus c square plus twice of ab plus bc plus ca. Okay. Next formula is of a plus b the whole cube. Sorry, a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube. So this will give us a plus b, a square minus AB plus B square. And when we look at A cube minus B cube, A cube minus B cube, this will give us A minus B into A square plus of AB plus B square. So please make a note of this, some basic formulas that will be helpful you in the process of simplification. In the questions of simplification, these formulas will be helpful. Okay, so yes, one more thing I think I think I have not taken. Let us understand that too. Whenever, so please take a screenshot of it and I'll rub the screen. Now, the first thing that you have to make note of is whenever we are multiplying even number with even number, that will give us even. Even into even will give us even. For example, 4 into 2. 4 is even number. 2 is also even number. The product of it will give us 8. 8 is again an even number. You can check all the numbers if you want to. Odd into odd will give us odd number. For example, 3 into 5. 5 3s are 15. 3 is odd number, 5 is odd number, as well as 15 is also odd number. So this is compulsorily, okay. Even into odd will give us compulsorily even. For example, 4 is even number, 3 is odd number. This will give us 12 and 12 is even number. Even number plus even number, this will give us again a even number. So keep in mind, whether we are multiplying or whether we are taking summation of it, we are going to get even number only. Odd number plus odd number, now this is going to give us even number, not odd number. So you have to make a note of this again. That is, odd number into odd number is odd number, but odd number plus odd number will give us even number. Again, you can take an example like 3 plus 5. If we take, what we'll get? We'll get 8. This is an even number. Okay, so the next thing that you have to make a note of is even plus odd. Even plus odd, that is a mixture of even plus odd, will give us odd. Again, an example for this is 2 plus 3 is giving us 5. This is a odd number. 2 is even and 3 is odd. So please take a screenshot of it, and please remember this. On basis of this particular some basic things also question can be asked in the examination. So you have to keep these things in mind. Okay, so that's it for today's lecture. I hope you are liking the video. If you are liking the video, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section that you are getting the video or not. And if you have any kind of suggestion, you can just mention it in the comment section, and in the upcoming lectures I'll make update version of it. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it, and thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button and share to the maximum students who are preparing for the CTET examination. So have a great day everyone. Bye.